They sound significantly better, so good in fact that a little while ago I compared them against the AirPods Max in terms of the sound, and without going into the weeds because this is such a subjective topic, it's not worth arguing about, guys. They just sound so full. So the bass is very rich and very deep without being too overpowering. There's plenty of top end stuff going on without it being too harsh. Across the entire EQ range, it's just fantastic. And more importantly, they handle pretty much any music you throw at them, and that's all you want from a pair of AirPods. They have to be really reliable, great performers, and I don't know how Apple has done this with this new version, but they are so noticeably better than the first one.